Hey Spanish learners! Want to talk about things you're doing right now? Today, we'll dive into Spanish verbs and gerunds, those ando and iendo endings that are ings in English. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use them and be ready for a fun quiz to test your knowledge. To run.
Correr. Correr.
Running.
Corriendo. Corriendo.
To walk.
Caminar. Caminar.
Walking.
Caminando. Caminando.
To eat.
Comer. Comer.
Eating.
Comiendo. Comiendo.
To drink.
Beber. Beber.
Drinking.
Bebiendo. Bebiendo.
To write.
Escribir. Escribir.
Writing.
Escribiendo. Escribiendo.
To read.
Leer. Leer.
Reading.
Leyendo. Leyendo.
To play.
Jugar. Jugar.
Playing.
Jugando. Jugando.
To sing.
Cantar. Cantar.
Singing.
Cantando. Cantando.
To dance.
Bailar. Bailar.
Dancing.
Bailando. Bailando.
To fly.
Volar. Volar.
Flying.
Volando. Volando.
To swim.
Nadar. Nadar.
Swimming.
Nadando. Nadando.
To cry.
Llorar. Llorar.
Crying.
Llorando. Llorando.
To laugh.
Reír. Reír.
Laughing.
Riendo. Riendo.
To jump.
Saltar. Saltar.
Jumping.
Saltando. Saltando.
To finish.
Terminar. Terminar.
Finishing.
Terminando. Terminando.
To start.
Empezar. Empezar.
Starting.
Empezando. Empezando.
To talk.
Hablar. Hablar.
Talking.
Hablando. Hablando.
To work.
Trabajar. Trabajar.
Working.
Trabajando. Trabajando.
To call.
Llamar. Llamar.
Calling.
Llamando. Llamando.
To study.
Estudiar. Estudiar.
Studying.
Estudiando. Estudiando.
To buy.
Comprar. Comprar.
Buying.
Comprando. Comprando.
To sell.
Vender. Vender.
Selling.
Vendiendo. Vendiendo.
To learn.
Aprender. Aprender.
Learning.
Aprendiendo. aprendiendo,
To lose.
perder, perder,
Losing.
perdiendo, perdiendo,
To win.
ganar, ganar,
Winning.
ganando, ganando,
To listen.
escuchar, escuchar,
Listening.
escuchando, escuchando,
To look.
mirar, mirar,
Looking.
mirando, mirando,
To cook.
cocinar, cocinar,
Cooking.
cocinando, cocinando,
To think.
pensar, pensar,
Thinking.
pensando, pensando,
To wait.
esperar, esperar,
Waiting.
esperando, esperando,
To prepare.
preparar, preparar,
Preparing.
preparando, preparando,
To break.
romper, romper,
Breaking.
rompiendo, rompiendo,
To live.
vivir, vivir,
Living.
viviendo, viviendo,
To open.
abrir, abrir,
Opening.
abriendo, abriendo,
To close.
cerrar, cerrar,
Closing.
cerrando, cerrando,
To count.
contar, contar,
Counting.
contando, contando,
To say.
decir, decir,
Saying.
diciendo, diciendo,
To dream.
soñar, soñar,
Dreaming.
soñando, soñando,
To decide.
decidir, decidir,
Deciding.
decidiendo, decidiendo,
To grow.
crecer, crecer,
Growing.
creciendo, creciendo,
To fall.
caer, caer,
Falling.
cayendo, cayendo,
To paint.
pintar, pintar,
Painting.
pintando, pintando,
To sail.
navegar, navegar,
Sailing.
navegando, navegando,
To draw.
dibujar, dibujar,
Drawing.
dibujando, dibujando,
To shave.
afeitarse, afeitarse,
Shaving.
afeitando, afeitando,
To drive.
manejar, manejar,
Driving.
manejando, manejando,
To help.
ayudar, ayudar,
Helping.
ayudando, ayudando,
To hug.
Abrazar. Abrazar.
Hugging.
Abrazando. Abrazando.
It's quiz time. 10 questions. 1 point per question. Let's see how many out of 10 you can get. What is the word for running? The answer is
B. Corriendo.
What is the verb? To listen. The answer is
A. Escuchar.
What is the word for dancing? The answer is
B. Bailando.
What is the verb? To sing. The answer is
B. Cantar.
What is the word for writing? The answer is
B. Escribiendo.
What is the verb? To win. The answer is
B. Ganar.
What is the word for laughing? The answer is
A. Riendo.
What is the verb? To work. The answer is
B. Trabajar.
What is the word for cooking? The answer is
B. Cocinando.
What is the verb? To help. The answer is
B. Ayudar.